One of the things that I think about a lot when it comes to the future is how language barriers just won't be a thing. Tech will be able to make it so that you can still have completely seamless conversations with people who otherwise you would never have understood. It's just a question of when. So are these that product that can take us there? Okay, so Drisha, you are a Spanish speaker. Well, you have spoken Spanish at some point in your life.
Yeah, this is going to test my high school Spanish.
High school Spanish. Okay, that's good enough. So you put one earbud in. I'm going to put the other earbud in. And there's a mode here we're going to click called Simul mode. Hello, how are you today?
Hola, ¿cómo estás hoy?
Bien, gracias. ¿Tú?
You're hearing what I'm saying. Can I have a loaf of bread, please? What's it saying to you?
¿Puedo darme una de pan, por favor?
That's what it comes up as. Oh my God. Okay, so this is not completely new tech. Like, it's not dissimilar in translation ability to something like Google Translate, but it's the form factor. It's the fact that I can have one earbud, you can have one earbud, and the microphone is really close to your mouth, so it picks up the sound well. And then it's the app. It's the app that doesn't require you to keep pressing buttons. It just listens out and allows you to have that conversation in real time. We've used the Google app a few times